Okay, Toby, are we on our way on a walk? Yeah? Okay. Oof, I tripped. What do you think we're going to find? A dinosaur? Yeah? Eyes? A China person! Go hug it! Go hug her! Are you afraid? She's backing away. China girl, you better watch out. I think he's going...
I'll be right back.
Ouch! I think he's going to start attacking. Ouch! Okay. Now I know why. Japanese don't like Chinese. It's following us. She's following us. Oh my gosh. Toby does not like you.
Toby, careful our chocolate.
Toby! Do you want a chocolate? He's running away. Do you want to go chase him to give him a chocolate? Yeah, go chase him. Deidre shall come along. No, I'm not Deidre yet. Not yet. Soon, very soon. I just need the rope and the wig. It's a chase!